Reflecting the true spirit of India, Tamil Nadu's Nagore Dargah Kanduri festival celebrated unity and togetherness. The 14-day festival honoring Sufi Saint Shahul Hameed brought Hindus and Muslims together and shared prayer, rituals, and the distribution of tabarruk. Rooted in a historic bond between the saint and the Hindu king, the celebration blended Sufi traditions with Tamil culture, showcasing India's strength and diversity and its enduring values of communal harmony, brotherhood, and mutual respect.
In a world often divided by lines of belief, the Nagore Dargah in Tamil Nadu offers a quiet yet powerful lesson in brotherhood. Each year during the Kanduri festival, people from different religious communities come together, not as Hindus or Muslims, but as devotees united by faith, respect, and shared humanity. Rituals such as flag hoisting, prayers, and the sharing of tabarruk are observed collectively, with devotees participating side by side.
We recognize a lot of non-Muslim brotherhood like Hindus and Christianity family to do their highest recognition and the highest respect to the Nagore without any hesitations. This is the only one Dargah, as per my knowledge, is doing all these formalities and recognizing this thing with that common practice.
The Sufi saint Shahul Hameed, whose death anniversary is commemorating during Kanduri, is believed to have healed a Hindu king of Thanjavur. In gratitude, the king donated land for the shrine, an act that transformed the Dargah into a symbol of inclusive faith.